Hello, fellow travelers, get ready to explore Finland, a country where nature reigns supreme. Imagine pristine lakes, dense forests, and the enchanting glow of the northern lights. Finland's beauty is both captivating and humbling. Join me as we uncover the magic of this Nordic gem. Pack your bags, grab your camera, and let's embark on a visual journey through Finland's stunning landscapes. Our first stop takes us to Helsinki, the vibrant capital city. Helsinki sits on the Baltic Sea, offering stunning waterfront views. Imagine strolling along the harbor, feeling the cool sea breeze on your face. The aroma of fresh seafood fills the air, inviting you to try local delicacies. Helsinki is a city that effortlessly blends urban life with the tranquility of nature. From Helsinki, we'll venture into the heart of Finland, where nature's artistry unfolds. Prepare to be mesmerized by vast forests, sparkling lakes, and the tranquility that only nature can provide. Finland's landscapes are a testament to the country's deep connection with the natural world. Let's dive in and discover the unique charm of each region. Our journey will take us from bustling cities to peaceful countryside, from the archipelagos to the northernmost reaches of Lapland. Get ready to experience the magic of Finland, where every turn reveals a new vista, a new adventure waiting to be discovered. So sit back, relax, and let your imagination soar as we embark on this visual feast for the senses. Our next stop takes us to the picturesque Ora River Valley in southwestern Finland. The Ora River meanders through a landscape dotted with charming towns, historic castles, and lush forests. A journey along the Ora River is a journey through time and nature. One of the highlights of the Ora River Valley is the medieval city of Turku. Turku, Finland's former capital, boasts a rich history and vibrant culture. Visit Turku Castle, a magnificent fortress dating back to the 13th century. For a more tranquil experience, rent a bike and explore the riverbanks at your own pace. Cycle through charming villages, stop for a picnic by the water, and enjoy the serenity of the Finnish countryside. The Ora River Valley offers a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. As you journey along the Ora River, take the time to savor the local flavors. Sample freshly baked bread, local cheeses, and other regional delicacies. The Ora River Valley is a feast for both the eyes and the taste buds. Prepare to be enchanted by the Finnish archipelago, a unique and breathtaking region. Thousands of islands dot the Baltic Sea, creating a maze of waterways, rocky islets, and lush green forests. This is a paradise for sailors, kayakers, and nature enthusiasts. Imagine hopping on a ferry and island hopping through this stunning archipelago. Each island has its own unique character and charm. Some are inhabited with small villages and fishing communities, while others remain untouched, offering a glimpse into pristine nature. Rent a kayak and explore the archipelago's hidden coves and secluded beaches. Paddle through narrow channels, surrounded by the sounds of nature. The Finnish archipelago offers a sense of tranquility and adventure that is hard to find elsewhere. As you explore the archipelago, be sure to sample the local seafood. Freshly caught fish, smoked salmon, and other delicacies are a true treat for the taste buds. The Finnish archipelago is a feast for the senses, offering a unique blend of natural beauty, adventure, and culinary delights. Welcome to Lakeland, Finland's Lake District, where water reigns supreme. This region is home to thousands of shimmering lakes interconnected by rivers and canals. Imagine a landscape dotted with islands, forests, and charming wooden cottages. Rent a cottage by the lake and experience the tranquility of Finnish nature. Spend your days swimming, fishing, or simply relaxing by the water's edge. As the sun sets, the sky transforms into a canvas of vibrant colors, reflecting on the calm lake surface. Explore Lakeland by boat and discover its hidden treasures. Cruise through narrow channels, surrounded by lush greenery. Stop at charming villages and enjoy the local hospitality. Lakeland is a boater's paradise, offering endless opportunities for exploration and relaxation. For a truly Finnish experience, try a traditional sauna followed by a refreshing dip in the lake. Sauna is an integral part of Finnish culture, and a visit to Lakeland wouldn't be complete without it. Get ready for an adventure in Lapland, Finland's northernmost region. Lapland is a land of extremes where the sun shines for 24 hours in the summer and darkness reigns supreme in the winter. This is the home of Santa Claus, reindeer, and the magical northern lights. In winter, Lapland transforms into a winter wonderland. Imagine a landscape covered in snow, frozen lakes, and snow-laden trees. Experience the thrill of a husky sled ride, try ice fishing, or simply marvel at the beauty of the snow-covered forests. During the summer months, Lapland is bathed in the golden glow of the midnight sun. Experience the unique phenomenon of the sun never setting. Go hiking in the hills, go fishing in the rivers, or simply enjoy the endless daylight. Lapland is a region of contrasts, offering a unique blend of natural wonders, cultural experiences, and adventure activities. Whether you're seeking adventure or tranquility, Lapland has something to offer every traveler. No trip to Finland would be complete without witnessing the magical Northern Lights, also known as the Aurora Borealis. This celestial display of dancing lights is a truly awe-inspiring sight. Imagine a sky ablaze with vibrant green, pink, and purple hues. Head north to Lapland for the best chance to see the Northern Lights. The further north you go, the greater your chances of witnessing this natural spectacle. The best time to see the Northern Lights is during the winter months, from September to April. For a truly memorable experience, book a stay in a glass igloo or a cabin with panoramic views of the sky. Imagine lying in bed, gazing up at the dancing lights above. The Northern Lights are a truly magical sight that will stay with you long after you leave Finland. While there are no guarantees when it comes to nature, seeing the Northern Lights is a matter of luck and timing. Check the aurora forecasts and be patient. The reward of witnessing this celestial display is well worth the wait. Section 8. Finnish Sauna Culture, a relaxing ritual. No trip to Finland would be complete without experiencing the Finnish sauna tradition. Sauna is an integral part of Finnish culture, a ritual that has been practiced for centuries. It's a place to cleanse the body and mind and to connect with friends and family. Imagine stepping into a dimly lit wooden room, the air thick with the scent of cedar and birch. The heat envelops you as you sit or lie down on the wooden benches. Pour water over heated stones to create steam, known as loili. After a good sweat, cool off with a refreshing dip in a lake, sea, or even a roll in the snow. The contrast between the heat of the sauna and the cold water is invigorating and said to have numerous health benefits. It's an experience that will leave you feeling refreshed and revitalized. Sauna is not just about cleansing the body, it's also about socializing and relaxing. Finns often enjoy sauna with friends and family, sharing stories and laughter. So embrace the Finnish sauna tradition and experience this unique aspect of Finnish culture. Section 9. The Flavors of Finland, a culinary adventure. Finnish cuisine is a delightful blend of fresh, local ingredients and traditional cooking methods. From hearty meat dishes to delicate fish delicacies, Finnish food is sure to tantalize your taste buds. Prepare for a culinary adventure that will leave you craving for more. Start your day with a traditional Finnish breakfast, featuring rye bread, cheese, yogurt, and berries. For lunch, try a hearty soup like louhikeito, a creamy salmon soup, or karjalan pirakat, savory pastries filled with rice porridge. For dinner, savor the flavors of reindeer, a staple meat in Lapland, or try muku, small freshwater fish often served fried or smoked. Don't forget to indulge in some cloudberry jam, a local delicacy with a unique sweet and tart flavor. Finnish cuisine is a celebration of fresh, seasonal ingredients. Whether you're dining in a Michelin-starred restaurant or a cozy countryside inn, you're sure to enjoy the authentic flavors of Finland. Section 10. Exploring Finland's national parks, preserving nature's gems. Finland is home to 40 national parks, each offering a unique glimpse into the country's diverse landscapes. From the rugged fells of Lapland to the archipelagos of the south, these parks protect some of Finland's most precious natural treasures. Explore the vast wilderness of Uro Kekkonen National Park in Lapland, home to reindeer, bears, and wolverines. Hike through ancient forests, climb to the top of scenic fells, and experience the tranquility of Lapland's untouched nature. Discover the beauty of Nuuksio National Park, located just a short distance from Helsinki. Hike through forests, swim in clear lakes, and spot diverse birdlife. Nuuksio offers a convenient escape from the city, allowing you to reconnect with nature. Whether you're an avid hiker, a nature enthusiast, or simply looking for a peaceful escape, Finland's national parks offer something for everyone. These parks are a testament to Finland's commitment to preserving its natural heritage for generations to come. Section 11. Your Finnish adventure awaits. Finland's stunning landscapes offer a visual feast for the senses. From the bustling harbor of Helsinki to the tranquil lakes of Lakeland, from the archipelago's embrace to the magical northern lights of Lapland, Finland has something to offer every traveler. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, grab your camera, and embark on your own Finnish adventure. Discover the magic of this Nordic gem and create memories that will last a lifetime. Remember to share your experiences and inspire others to explore the beauty of Finland. What other stunning locations in Finland would you like to explore? Share your thoughts and travel dreams in the comments below. And don't forget to share this visual journey with your fellow travel enthusiasts.